Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove contact photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Contacts app. Now, select the contact whose photo you want to remove. Once you're on their contact page, tap on Edit in the top right corner. Next, tap on the contact photo itself and then tap Edit again. Now you'll see the current photo is selected. To remove the iPhone contact photo, you have two options. Option 1, you can choose a different photo from your gallery to replace it. Or option 2, you can select the monogram option, which will display just the initials of the contact name. This is the default setting for contacts without photos. If you go with the monogram, you can customize the background color to your preference. Once you've made your selection, tap Done, then tap Done again to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed the contact photo and replaced it with initials. You can repeat this process for any contact on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you delete or change contact pictures on iOS, hit that like and subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.